good, YouTube? Ever wondered why some videos just pop while others feel flat? The secret isn't the camera, it's the color. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact steps I use to transform dull footage into scroll-stopping visuals. Whether you're editing music videos, short films, or YouTube content. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand color grading, you'll know how to make your videos look pro level. So grab your footage, open your editor, and let's turn your vision into magic. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna hop on the basic color correction, where I'm gonna white balance my clip a little bit. I'll make my footage a little bit cold and adjust the tint a little bit. After that, I'll jump straight to the highlights, where I want to reduce the highlights a little bit. Don't mind me, I'm just eyeballing. But if you know how to go about the Lumetri scopes, you can for sure use them. So after that, we're gonna hop straight to the shadows, where I'm gonna reduce the shadows a little bit. After that, we're going to the whites. And I wanna brighten my clip. Let's see about there. So right after that, we're going to the blacks. And I'm going -30. You can see the before and after. Alright. After that, we jump to the creative panel, where I want to add a little bit of vibrance. Then we jump straight to curves. I'll create one point over here and another one here. I'll try to create the S shape or the S curve. And as you can see, we're onto something here. Then I'm gonna lift the highlights. Just like that. And on the RGB curves, I'm gonna click on the red. Create a point here and there. And rise the shadows of the reds just a little bit. Next, I'll click on the blues, create a point here and a point there, and raise the shadows of the blues just a little bit. You can see the before and after. Alright, after that, we're jumping straight to hue saturation, where I'm lifting up the blues, all the blue tones in the video actually. And after that, I'm going to hue versus hue, lifting up the blues once again. And that's about it. Now next, we're jumping straight to the color wheels and match. And over here, I'm gonna start with the midtones, taking them up on the warmer tones. After that, we jump into the shadows. I want to make the shadows a little bit cool, so we're going to the blues. We're leaning on the blues mostly. And for the highlights, we're warming up the highlights a little bit. So here, I'm jumping straight to the HSL secondary, where I want to make the skies more blue. So I'm trying to select the blue, and after I select it, I'll add saturation to the blue and a little bit of vibrance. After that, I want to add a little bit of vignette. So I'm going with the white vignetting and increasing its midpoint. Now I'm jumping again to the creative panel and adding a little bit of sharpness. As you can see. After that, I'll add a little bit of saturation. You can see the before and after. And now I'm creating a new adjustment layer, dragging it to the timeline. And here I want to add a creative look to the video. So I'm going with the SL Gold Orange. After that, I'm adding a little bit of stabilization to the video since it was shaky. If you want to add the cherry on top, you can use Film Convert because they have a very dope plugin that's gonna add a little bit of haze on your video. And I'm using Hazy by Film Convert. So I'm selecting Sony S-Log 3, going with the Black Mist, Bloom, Glimmer. I'm just trying to see what's okay. I'll just add the haze. That's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like this video, comment down below what other video, what other project you want me to tackle or show you. And as always, peace.